Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, as you can see, I'm headed into Dollar General because guess what? They have their Christmas items marked down to just 10 cents. Yep, you heard me right. 10 cents. Starting today, January 30th, certain Christmas items are 10 cents. So when you go into the store, just make sure that you scan everything. It does not include wrapping paper or the bowls. So I know those are definitely not 10 cents, but ornaments, candy, stockings, all kind of things like that is only 10 cents. So make sure that you have your DG app downloaded and scan those items that you want to purchase. Now, before we go into the store and see what we're going to get, I do need you guys to do me a huge favor. And if you're watching me on YouTube, I need you to hit that subscription button as well as the bell right next to it. And if you're watching me on Facebook, hit the follow button. That way you'll get notified each and every time I put up a new video. You won't miss out on any sales, any secret discounts, or any other specials or rebates that I'm able to find that I post and share with everyone. So guys, let's head into the store. Let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can get some good deals that we can put up for next year, or that we can make baskets with or use throughout the year for parties, gifts, or anything like that. So let's head on into the store and let's see what we're going to get. Okay guys, so I'm going to get these little brooms. They're cinnamon scent. Now, there's also some ones that are pumpkin scent, but someone beat me to those. But here's the UPC. They smell so good. They're 10 cents. Even if you can find gift bags, this is a small gift bag, which I love to use for like my little wine glasses and things. But it's regular $1. This is 10 cents. The little ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments, 10 cents. They have a variety of them, 10 cents. These name tags, there's 12 in a pack. These are 10 cents. Make sure you scan everything, guys. This is a Christmas glass candle holder. I scanned it in the app. This is 10 cents too. Here's the UPC for it. It's regularly $2. I'm going to see what kind of shape it's in. I could do something with this, like in one of my baskets or something. Here's some more Christmas ornaments. Again, 10 cents. Everything I'm showing you guys is 10 cents. The small little balls are 10 cents. Now, this store right here, I'm only seeing the smaller ones, but even the bigger ones are 10 cents. Here's a candle, a Christmas shaped candle, 10 cents. I'm gonna get that. Again, make sure you scan everything, guys. I just scanned these bowls. These are $1. Those are not 10 cents, so don't pick those up thinking you're gonna get those for 10 cents. They are regular price. So here are the bigger balls that I was telling you about, okay? And they have them in all different colors. They're $3. So here's red and gold. Here's green, silver, and white. Red, green, silver. Red, green, gold. So they have all different colors. And again, those are 10 cents. Then here's a where you can count down to Christmas. Okay, and this again is 10 cents. And they have, it's like an ornament DIY kit, foam ornament kit. This is 10 cents. This is something cute for the kiddos to do. Okay guys, make sure you scan your candy. These Jolly Beans candies are 10 cents. The ornament hooks are 10 cents, both the green and the silver. These mini candy canes, there's 20 of them in a pack. Here's the UPC. These are 10 cents. And then here's more of those candles. So it's the trees, the green ones, and the white ones. These are also 10 cents. They're called Christmas tobacco baskets. These are good to make baskets with. I'm gonna get all 3 of these. Wish they had more. They're regularly $3, but they're 10 cents. All the Christmas stockings, guys, are 10 cents. No matter what price they are. 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. Then you have these Christmas ornaments. Is 6 count. These right here, they're all tangled up in these flowers, but they're 10 cents. Then you have these flowers. You put those in gift baskets, make vases, arrangements, whatever. Those are 10 cents. These holiday light clips is 60 count. These are 10 cents. Show you the UPC. So these are the couple things that I found in my store. My store is pretty much depleted. There's a lot of couponers and penny shoppers, and a lot of the stuff was even gone, even at 50%. But I at least wanted to show you guys what was out there. Maybe your stores are a little different. Hopefully you guys can find more than I found. But I was able to get a couple things, and I'm happy with that. But whatever doesn't sell now will be pennying very soon, maybe next week or the week after that. I'm not sure, but I'll keep you guys updated when I find out. So I hope you guys have fun finding some 10-cent items. Come back, let me know what you find. And until the next time, keep on saving.